Will good results continue for FCT? 3 points why I think yes, and there's 1 point I think I didn't really like about FCT's recent release of its results. So I'm just going to use this simple formula: revenue minus expense equals to net profit, which translates into distribution per unit that we as unit holders will receive. The common notion right now for all these investors has always been on the interest rates. Why? I don't want to invalidate that, but I also like to bring you to what is actually growing the revenue of a REIT. So there are a few factors when I look at what can increase the revenue. Definitely in this video, I'm just going to zoom in into the net lettable area, which is actually the highlight for FCT, in my own opinion. So there are going to be 3 upcoming potentials. The first one is definitely by next, because down here I'll just show the picture. You can see that from February to September, it has raked in or received around 67 million in net property income. So for a full year contribution, I just did the simple math, analyzed it, and I got 100 million net property income. So that's the first point that I like. The second point that I like is actually the increase in the stake in Waterway Point. And in fact, this increase, right, they classify it under joint ventures. If you'd like to know why I think joint ventures is actually a hidden booster, especially to our DPU, you might just want to watch this particular video that I put in the card. And in fact, the last one that I really like is in fact the Tampines 1 AEI, where, down here I'll show a picture, it is all about increasing the net lettable area. Because with more net lettable area, it means that the FCT management can lease out and improve the top line, which is the revenue. However, 1 point you might just want to take note of before you browse away is the divestment of Changi City Point. Down here, I just want to show you what's going to be the impact. 35 million revenue is going to disappear. 16 million in net property income is going to disappear too. So up to now, if you feel that this update has benefited you, hit the like button and subscribe my channel to receive updates about FCT. Talking about NIA, you might want to watch this video because it has documented the different types of asset enhancement initiatives that I prefer.